Sixth question. There are three coins. One is two-headed, another is biased coin that comes up head is 75% of the time, and third one is unbiased coin. One of the three coins is chosen at random and tossed. It shows head. It shows head. What is the probability that it was two-headed coin? I hope you understand the content. Let us define the events. Let E1 be event that event of choosing two-headed coin. Okay. E2 event of choosing biased coin. Event of choosing unbiased coin. Okay, so this constitute the sample space. Unbiased coin. Event A is, suppose it shows head. Okay, event A is getting head. Okay, probability of E1 is, what is the event of choosing two-headed coin? Okay, that is equal to probability of 3, either one is equal to probability of 2, E2 is equal to 1 by 3, that is same, because randomly selected means each having equal probability, and probability of getting head when two-headed coin is tossed. So the meaning of this is probability of A given E means getting head when two-headed coin is tossed, given that it is two-headed coin, means that is always sure it is. This is sure event, because both sides are head means A given E2 is equal to that is 75%, 3 by 4. Probability of A given E3 is, third coin is unbiased, 1 by 2 it is. You got it? Getting head when it is unbiased coin means both sides having equal chance of appearance. So what is required? To find probability that it was two-headed coin, given that the face showing head, upper side of the face showing head. This is what you have to find. Now, by using Bayes theorem is probability of E1 given A is equal to probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2 plus probability of E3 into probability of A given E3. So you substitute the probabilities, and if you simplify, you will get the answer 4 by 9. Okay. An insurance company insured 2000 scooter drivers, 4000 car drivers and 6000 truck drivers. The probability of accidents are 1%, 3% and 15% respectively. One of the insured persons meets with an accident. What is the probability that he is a scooter driver? Okay. Total number of drivers is equal to 2000 plus 4000 plus 6000 is equal to 12,000. Let E be the event. Let E1 is scooter driver. E2 is car driver. E3 is truck driver. Okay. The probability of accidents. Event A is a driver meets accident. Now probability of E1 is equal to probability of E2 E1. You can write probability of EI is equal to 1 by 3 and proceed further. Okay, because I is running from 1 to 3. Probability of E3 is equal to 1 by 3. Probability of a driver meets accident given that he is scooter driver. E given E1 is 0.01 or 1%. Probability of A given E2 is 0.03 and probability of A given E3 is 0.15. Now probability of what is the probability that he is a scooter driver? E1 given A. What is the probability of scooter driver given that the person met accident? Again by Bayes theorem, write the formula. Bayes theorem is probability of E1 given A is equal to probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 divided by summation of probability of EI into probability of A given EI. 3 terms will come. I is running from 1 to 3. Okay, you have to add all the probabilities. Probability of E1 is 1 by 3. A given E1 is 0.1 divided by 1 by 3 into 0.1 plus E2 again 1 by 3 into 0. Even you can take 1 by 3 common, 0.03 into 1 by 3 into 0.15. Okay, you simplify, okay, it is calculator work again. See, we committed a mistake here. E1 is what is that? Scooter driver, isn't it? See, probability of E1 is not 1 by 3. This is wrong step, sorry. It is not randomly selected. The proportion of scooter driver you have to find. That is 2000. How many scooter drivers? That is 2000. That is why we computed the total 1 by 6. And probability of E2 is how many? 4000 car drivers. 4000. 12,000. 1 by 3. So make a correction here. This is how much? 6,000 by 12,000 is half. Now if you substitute, you will get 1 by 6 into 1 by 100. 1 by 0.0 can be written as, in terms of fractional form, this is again 1 by 6 into 1 by 100 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 100, 3 by 100, this is 3, okay, and 1 by 2 into 15 by 100, 15 by 100. And find the remaining. Can you work out this? This is 1 by 600 divided by 1 by 600 plus 3 by 300 plus 15 by 200. So if you take the LCM as 600, what happens? 1 by 600 into bracket, if it is 600 means 600 will come in the numerator, and 1 by 600, 1 plus that is 3, isn't it? And 2 is a 6 plus it is 345, isn't it? Yes, correct. So this will be 51, 52, 1 by 52. So 9th question it is. Please refer textbook, okay. I did not wrote the question. I hope you are having it. Once again I will read that. Two groups are competing for the position of the board of directors of a corporation. The probabilities that the first and second groups will win are 0.6 and 0.4 respectively. Further, if the first group wins, the probability of introducing a new product is 0.4 and the corresponding probability is 0.3 if the second group wins. Find the probability that the new product introduced was by the second group. This is very simple question. Probability of E1. E1 means the probability of first group win is, that is 0.6. 0.6 it is. This is 0.4. The probability of introducing a new product when first group wins is 0.7. E2 is 0.3. Okay, so this is what you have to find. Now straightforward, substitute these values, that is probability of E2 is 0.4 into A given E2 0.3 divided by, is it correct, probability of E1 0.6 into 0.7 plus 0.4 into 0.3, then you will get, if you simplify, so you can take 100 LCM and you find that how much you get. Is it 2 by 9? Okay, you verify. Okay, it is calculator work again. You may get that. Okay, 8th one. Unfortunately, it came late. A factory has two machines A and B. Past record shows that machine A produced 60% of the items of output and machine B produced 40% of the items. Okay, 40% of the items are produced by B and 60% of the items are by machine A. Further, 2% of the items produced by machine A and 1% produced by the machine B were defective. All the items are put into one stock pile and then one item is chosen at random from this and one item is chosen at random from this and is found to be defective. What is the probability that was produced by machine B? Okay, let E1 is item produced by machine A, E2 is item produced by machine B, A is the selected item is defective. Then probability of E1 is 0.6. Probability of E2 is 40%, means 0.4, 40 by 100. A given E1, probability of defective items when by machine A is 2% and probability of A given E2 is 1%. You have to find probability of E2 given A, the probability that the defective item produced by machine B, that is what you have to find. Bayes theorem implies probability of E2 given A is equal to probability of E2 into probability of A given E2 over probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2. If you substitute the probability values and simplify, your answer is 1 by 4. So 10th one, suppose a girl throws a die. If she gets 5 or 6, she tosses a coin 3 times. If she gets 5 or 6, she tosses a coin 3 times and notes the number of heads. If she gets 1, 2, 3 or 4, she tosses a coin once and notes whether it is head or tail. If she obtained exactly one head, what is the probability that she threw 1, 2, 3 or 4 with the die? Okay. event E is getting a number 5 or 6. E2 is getting a number 1, 2 or 4. Event A is getting exactly 1 head. Okay. Probability of E1 is, what is the probability of E1? Getting number 5 or 6, 2 out of 6 while rolling a die. Total number of outcomes is 6, 2 by 6 or this is 1 by 3. Probability of E2 is 4 by 6 or 2 by 3. Probability of A given E1, that means probability of getting 1 head when she get 5 or 6. When she get 5 or 6, she throws 3 times. So total number of possible outcomes is 8. Out of 8, how many are favorable to 1 head? That is 3. 3 by 8, isn't it? You got it? 3 head case, 2 head case, 1 head case, all are tail case. 3 possible cases are there. Out of that, 2 head case and 1 head case are 3 each. 2 head case or 1 tail case, 1 head case or 2 tail case, isn't it? 3 by 8. Probability of A given E2 getting head when she get 1, 2, 3 or 4. When she get 1, 2, 3 or 4, she toss only once, means 1 coin, 1 head out of 2 outcomes. 1 by 2 it is. If she obtained exactly 1 head, means event A is happened now. Probability of what is the probability that she threw 1, 2 or that means E2 it is. E2 has to be found. E2 given A has to be found. So Bayes' theorem is probability of E2 given A is equal to probability of E2 into probability of A given E2 over probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2. You substitute probability of E2 is 2 by 3 into A given E2 1 by 2 divided by E1 1 by 3 3 by 8 plus probability of E2 2 by 3 into probability of A given E2 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 3 in the numerator, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 3 in the denominator. You please simplify and get the answer. If you simplify, you will get 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 8 plus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 by 9 by 24 reduces to 8 by 9. 11th question, please listen and refer the textbook. A manufacturer has 3 machine operators A, B and C. The first operator A produces 1% defective items, whereas the other 2 operators B and C produce 5% and 7% defective items respectively. A is on the job for 50% of the time, B is on the job for 30% of the time, and C is on the job for 20% of the time. A defective item is produced. What is the probability that it was produced by A, operator A? See here you should not define E1, E2, E3 as selecting operator A, selecting operator B, selecting operator C. Okay, it is not mentioned. See, the production of defective items is proportional to this operators time operators, how much time he will consume in his job. Okay, so E1 is time consumed by machine A, time consumed by operator A, not a machine. Yes, operator A, time consumed by operator B, and time consumed by operator C. You got it? So E1 is 50%, E2 is 30%, probability of E3 is 20%. Now A given E1 is 1%, that is defective items, probability of defective item produced by operator A is 1%, and that by operator B is 5% and 7%, etc. What is asked is the item selected is found to be defective, then what is the probability that it was produced by operator A? E given A. This directly follows by Bayes theorem. You substitute the values. In order to simplify here, see here, you can do like this. Otherwise, you can write directly 1 by 200 and etc. So, if you take 1 by 100, 1 by 100 in each term, so that you may compute like this also. So, you will get the answer as 5 by 34. 12th question is, a card from a pack of 52 cards is lost. One card is lost from the pack of 52 cards. From the remaining cards of the pack, 2 cards are drawn and are found to be both diamonds. From the remaining 51, both found to be diamonds. Find the probability that the last card being a diamond. Okay. At event A is choosing a diamond card. E is non-diamond card. Event A is, these are all events. Event A is lost card is diamond. Now probability of E1 is equal to probability of selecting a diamond. How many diamond cards are there? 13. 13 out of 52, 1 by 4. Probability of E2 is non-diamond cards other than diamond cards, 39, remaining 39. or this is 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is complementary event. 3 by 4 or 39 by 52, then also you will get the same answer. Probability of E1 A given, okay, let us redefine. Event E is the last card is diamond, last card is non-diamond. Instead of choosing, that will make confuse. Selecting 2 diamond cards. A is selecting 2 diamond cards. Okay, now it is clear. Probability of selecting 2 diamond cards when the last card is diamond means, see, totally 13 cards are there. If one diamond card is lost means 12 are left with. Out of 12 you can select any 2 diamond. Total number of cases is, one card is lost means totally there will be 51 only, isn't it? Similarly, probability of A given E2 means last card is non-diamond. Non-diamond means this will remain as it is, 13C2, and this is 51C2. Now if you work out, if you simplify this one, 12C2 means 12 factorial divided by 10 factorial into 2 factorial into this 51 factorial. 51 factorial comes to the denominator. 51 minus this 49 factorial into 2 factorial is equal to, now you can simplify that, and that will be, see, 11 into 12 up to 10 will get cancelled. 1, 2 and this 2 cancel. 51, 49 means 50 and 51 will remain, up to 49 get cancelled. See, what is the answer is 22 by 425. Just check once, okay. And this will become 13 into 12 divided by 2 factorial, shall I write like that, 31 factorial, and minus 2 means 11 factorial, 2 factorial into 49, this remains same, 49 and 2 divided by 51 factorial, that is equal to 13 into 12 divided by 2 factorial is 51 into 50, for 26 by 425. So what is asked is probability of both, find the probability that last card being diamond. E1 given A is asked. So Bayes' theorem implies probability of E1 given A is equal to probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 divided by probability of E1 A given E1 plus probability of E2 probability of A given E2. If you substitute and simplify, you will get the answer as 11 by 50. Okay. The 13th one, probability that A speaks truth is 4 by 5. A coin is tossed. He reports that a head appears. The probability that actually there was head is. Okay, let us define E1 is he speaks truth. E2 is A speaks false. Event A is head appears. Head appeared. Okay. Probability of E1 is, probability of he speaks truth is 4 by 5. Probability of E2 is 1 by 5. 1 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5. Probability of A given E1. How much it is? See, in the earlier cases we solved an example. In the solved example part it seems. See, that is different from this. Here the probability of head appears when he speaks truth. Probability of head appears when he speaks false. See, probability of getting head or tail is not at all dependent on whether he speaks truth or false. So this remains same 1 by 2, and this is same as probability of getting head when he speaks false. It is always half only. Okay. Now what is asked here? Probability of actually there was a head. Means probability A speaks truth, he gets head, means this E1 given A, the probability that actually there was head is nothing but probability of E1 given A. So now apply Bayes' theorem. I think you are following. Is it okay? Probability of E1 given A is equal to probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 divided by probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 probability of A given E2. That is equal to 4 by 5 into A given E1 is half divided by 4 by 5 into half plus E2 is 1 by 5 into half. So 4 by 10 into 4 by 10 plus 1 by 10, that is 5 by 10 or 10 by 5. Answer is 4 by 5. So A is the correct answer. The last question is, if A and B are two events such that A is subset of B and probability of B is non-zero, then which of the following is true? Okay, A is subset of B, this is given. This implies 2. One is probability of A less than probability of B. Okay, this is subset. And A intersection B is equal to A only, isn't it? Okay, now consider probability of A given B is equal to probability of AB over probability of B, that is probability of A divided by probability of B. But here it is given as probability of B by probability of A. This is not equal to probability of B divided by probability of A. So 1 is not the correct answer. Now consider probability of B given A. This is probability of A given, how much it is? Okay, let us consider probability of A given B only. Again, probability of A given B is equal to probability of A divided by probability of B. Okay, let us keep this as result. Now we know that probability of B is less than or equal to 1, isn't it? It cannot exceed 1. See, 1, that implies if you divide 1 is less than 1 by probability of B, that implies probability of A is less than or is equal to probability of A divided by probability of B. Some sort of rearrangements. You got it? I am dividing both sides by probability of B and multiplying by probability of A. Probability of A divided by probability of B is, that implies probability of A is less than or is equal to, what is this? This is nothing but A given B, probability of A given B. So C is the correct answer. So answer is C.